feeling kind of hungry. Let me go get something to eat out of the fridge. Let's go get something to eat. So let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Well, there's barely anything else in the fridge. You see that? It's morning already. The moon already unshined. The sun is already up. Whew. Boy, I don't know what the heck you think you're doing. You better get out of my refrigerator. Dad, it's not what it looks like. It's time I teach you a real lesson. Since you always wanted to always be hard-headed, it's time for your real lesson. Let me only give you 1% of my power. See, boy? Alright, Dad. Here I go. Ah! Ah! Really, boy? Those don't work on me. Now, time for you to pay. Ah! Ah! That's what happens when you don't listen. Next time, you will listen to me and close my fridge. And when I say close my fridge, I mean close my fridge. So don't listen to me again. Pathetic Ted.